NASA analyzes tropical storm Dorian day and night. The Leeward Islands are a group of islands in the eastern Caribbean Sea, where the sea meets the western Atlantic Ocean. The Leewards extend from the Virgin Islands east of Puerto Rico, southeast of Guadeloupe, and its dependencies. The visible infrared image radiometer suite, instrument aboard the Sumo NPP, provided a visible image of the storm on August 26, 2019. The VIIRS image showed the storm had taken on somewhat of a coma shape. That shape and the storm's thunderstorm pattern changed over the course of the day because dry air moved into mid-level areas of the storm, surpassing thunderstorm development. A tropical cyclone is made up of hundreds of thunderstorms, so when development is inhibited, it affects the storm's strength and sometimes the shape of the storm, depending on the direction from which the dry air comes. By 5 p.m. EDT on August 26th, the National Hurricane Center said, although the inner core convection has decreased recently, a recent burst of strong convection, rising air that forms thunderstorms, with cloud tops colder than -80 degrees Celsius, indicating powerful thunderstorms with the potential to generate heavy rainfall, has redeveloped just north of the low-level center. The nighttime image was created by William Stracra III, a researcher at the University of Wisconsin-Madison Space Science and Engineering Center. The Wanning Crescent Moon, with 12% illumination, didn't show up many features, Stracra said. Even with airglow present, though one could see the lights peeking through the clouds and a lone ship on the southern edge of the storm. The National Hurricane Center, or NHC, posted many watches and warnings on August 27th. A hurricane watch is in effect in Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic from Isa Sona to Samana. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Mozambique, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines and Puerto Rico. A tropical storm watch is in effect for Dominica, Grenada, and its dependencies.